Hi. Welcome to PageFly video tutorial series. PageFly is a Shopify page builder that helps you build any page with a drag and drop system and no code needed. If you are running a Shopify store and want to use PageFly to do more customization on your pages, you have to know 5 essential things in this video. Firstly, how to create a new page with PageFly. Remember that PageFly cannot edit the page created in the Shopify theme. You need to create the page from scratch. Here is the PageFly dashboard. To create a new page, you just need to click on Create a Page button here. Or choose the page type you want to create here, home pages for example, click Create a Home Page. Enter the page title. Click Next. And Next. Here is the PageFly page editor. You can build your page with elements in the left sidebar and customize them with options in the right sidebar. Not that, PageFly only works on a published theme. So make sure that you have a live theme on Shopify store. PageFly offers a free plan that allows you to use all PageFly features. But you can only create one page per each page type. More about PageFly pricing plan, visit the link I put in the description. Secondly, how to publish or unpublish a page. If you want to look how your page is before publishing, you can click Save and see the page on preview. If you want to publish the page, just hit Publish and then Live View to see the live page. If you publish a home page, collection page or product page, it will replace the page you created in theme. If you publish a regular page, standalone landing page, you need to link it to the Shopify menu navigation if you want to show it on your store. Please check the video in the description to learn how to do this. To unpublish the page, go to the page list, click the 3-dot icon here, and choose Unpublish. Click Publish to republish the page. And you can also duplicate any page. Thirdly, how to change the setting of the page? You can access the page setting through one of 2 ways. Click the gear icon in the page editor here. Or click the gear icon in the page list. In page setting, you can change the page title, page type. You can show or hide the header and footer. Note that PageFly cannot edit the header and footer, you need to do this in theme. In the page setting of the product page or collection page, you can show or hide default product details or default collection details. In the setting of the blog post page, you can change the blog post details. Fourthly, how to import-export a page? If you want to use a page created in a store to another store, you can export this page from the first store and import it to the second store. We have a video tutorial that shows how to do this, please check it in the description of this video. Finally, how to set a password to your page? If you want to create a password page, you need to create a password for your store. To do this, go to the Shopify admin, click Online Store here, and then References. Scroll down to Password Protection and enable a password.
This is the end of the video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more videos. If you need any assistance, reach us via 24/7 in-app live chat or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Join PageFly ecosystem and proactively get updated support, tips to boost conversion rate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.